Welcome to Useful Words. Hi, my name is Leroy Glover, and on this channel, we're going to explore useful words. How to be encouraging with your words and actions. What is encouragement? Encouragement is a way of speaking, acting, or writing that gives hope and confidence to another person. Encouragement means to be a friend, to cheer someone up, and to give them hope. It's not just about being polite or nice. You can encourage people with your words and actions without having to say anything at all. Encouragement is a way of encouraging somebody. It's a nice thing to do and can make someone feel better about themselves. Encouragement can be gentle and kind, or it can be powerful and life-changing. Encouragement is one of the most important things in life. It's what gives us hope. It's what makes us feel loved and cared for, and it can even change our lives. Encouragement is an important part of our everyday lives. It's the voice that tells you to keep on going. It's the encouragement that lets you know that someone believes in you. What are the benefits of being encouraging with your words? There's an incredible power in your tone of voice and how you speak to people. You might not know it, but our tone of voice can have a huge impact on other people, especially when we're using a gentle and friendly tone. Encouragement is all about encouraging someone to do more of what they are already doing. It reinforces the desired behavior. Being friendly and kind to others is one of the best things you can do for yourself. There are many benefits to being encouraging. One of them includes better relationships. Being encouraging with your words is one of the best things you can do for yourself and other people. Why being encouraging matters. Have you ever had someone say something nice to you? It's one of the best feelings in the world, right? We need more encouragement in this world. We all do. We can make the choice to live in kindness and love, even if it's just for today. And when we do that together, the world becomes a better place for everyone. One of the secrets of a happy life is to be encouraging. By using a gentle tone of voice and being friendly to others would make the world a better place for everyone. Being encouraging matters. It can help us build relationships with those around us and create a culture of belonging that will make all of our lives better. Encouragement is good. When we are with others, we should try to focus on what we see as good qualities in other people and use encouragement to show them that they are worth something. It may seem like a lot of work, but it can have huge dividends. Whether you're a coach, teacher, pastor, or parent, it benefits you to encourage others. Here are a few ways to encourage others. 1. Choose words wisely. When we speak, our words have power. Be sure your words are kind and gentle. 2. Smile. A smile goes a long way in making someone feel good about themselves and the world around them. Smile at people you pass on the street. Wouldn't it be great if everyone smiled at us? 3. Ask questions. Asking questions not only opens up conversations, but also shows that we're interested in what others have to say. 4. Listen actively. Listening actively means listening with an open mind and heart so that we may understand where another person is coming from. 5. Actively look for opportunities to encourage others and offer compliments. 6. Remember the power of kind words. Even if it's not reciprocated right away, they will eventually come back around and likely return the favor. 7. Use gentle and friendly tones when speaking with others, and always try your best to stay positive, as well as saying hi when you see someone you know. 8. Make eye contact. It's the most important thing you can do to connect with someone. 9. Smile. It sends a signal of warmth and trustworthiness. 10. Be gentle with others with kind words and compliments. I'm Leroy Glover, and I thank you.